Jim.
Hi, Solange.
Yes,
Hola,
yes, I'm
Solange.
finally here. But wait, let me just send that because I don't know why we have two links. Ah, it's because you are using the Vibe Coding Bootcamp. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, okay. Because I set up another link for other things. Okay, let me just send that on the other chat and we are ready to go. Sorry for the inconvenience. Of course, of course. Um, ok. Bon. Ok, pardon. J'envoie ici. Join here. Okay. So, so. Sorry for that. I'm here. Yes, of course. Let me share my screen. Um, okay. We just because it's the right thing. Okay. Tac, 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 tac. We are good. Okay. Um. So how is runs going? Feel free to put where are you coming from in the chat. Yes, some already done it. All good. So. So special day because it's the first time we are doing that with Dev2Pack. So it's something new, really, the first edition of the hackathon. So really exciting about that. Let me share my screen a bit. Tac, tac, tac. So uh, yeah, good. It's time. So some of you already started the builder station, like the local hub, where yes, Rocio, for example, Bala. Some of you are already building, which is good. And so right now it's time to make a proper kickoff, let's say, all together and like being together for the weekend and just enjoy the vibe too because I really feel hackathon is about vibe too first. So yeah, so welcome to the kickoff. Wait, just welcome to the kickoff. At the beginning we were not expecting to have so many people, to be honest. Like only like around 1,000, but I will I will show you what is the final result. So just before talking properly about the hackathon, I want to talk briefly about DevTpack because maybe some of you don't know what is DevTpack itself, and it's a community that I created 1 year ago. So especially for women students, and we have done a lot of activation, especially around different topics. So I can show you briefly. So here you can see, for example, when we hosted a pop-up city in Argentina. So we have like we are all friends, kinda. And so we are hosting different things. So basically, wait, because it's just annoying for me. We're hosting like online bootcamps, so on different topics such as like ZK, privacy, DeFi, Solidity, soon maybe Rust, by the way. And this time we are introducing the hackathon, so the DevTpack hackathon, and we have two other things, which is called accelerator, the bridge accelerator. I will talk about it at the end, and Pop-up Village. So Pop-up Village is kinda like during a month you are gathering like 50 to 100 people all together, and so it's all about like of course enjoying the local vibe too, but also connecting because I really feel increasing your network is very important. It's a very important part to really make it into the space, not only in Web3, but I mean into your career. Like if you are not meeting people, it's going to be super complicated. So that's why this hackathon here, I wanted to make it not only online but also IRL. And thanks to some of you, we made it happen. So, which is super cool. So let me just share one thing. So about the hackathon. So this is the community like when we were at Is Global, for example, in Buenos Aires. So some of us were hacking. I was monitoring on my side, but it was after 1 month collaboration all together. So yes, very very cool vibes. I would love to do that again. So yeah. So the current state uh, of the hackathon is that. So as I mentioned at the beginning, I was not expecting that, especially because the community started just 1 year ago. Then our team is small, so yeah, I mean it's kinda well, but I think we implemented a lot of mechanism into the app to make it growing faster. But yeah, I'm really glad that we have all these things. To be honest, all these statistics. We hope also the next one will be also successful. And yeah, we have 47 hubs thanks to some people, so I will present them after. But yeah, really, really good things. Thank you for that. So actually, we have different kind of hubs. So the hub hosted directly by different communities. So really thanks to them. They are on the chat. You can see a group. Some are in a group, so they are into a local hub basically. And also with super team, so we team up with different super team. So super team is the local. Um, uh, Wait, someone. Okay. It's the local teams of Solana. So sorry, someone is kinda. Wait, I will just mute. Oula, okay. Yes, let me just mute everyone because not possible. Mute, 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 mute. Like, just mute yourself, please. Will be wonderful. Okay, we are good. Okay, okay. So yeah, Super Team is local Solana team that are helping communities like local communities itself, local builders. So about the agenda for the hackathon, um, wait. About the agenda for the hackathon, um, actually, we are starting today with the kickoff, but right after this session, we are hosting like a brainstorming and information session, so you will know properly how to create a team, but also like if you want to pitch to someone, like to to people to say, hey, I'm looking for someone, etc. Don't hesitate. So it's what we will do. Then tomorrow we will have a 2 hour session here, like online, where the goal is literally to provide you feedback. So with mentors during 2 hours, and yes, just if you want to have some feedback, of course, there is no risk. But I always encourage to to ask for help. To be honest, on Sunday, it's the submission deadline. So at 8 a.m. UTC. So on your dashboard, just to let you know, on your dashboard here, for me, for example, it's display on friends time zone. But on your side, it's like display on your time zone. No, 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 no drawing. Voilà, merci. Um, yeah. So it's display on your time zone, just to let you know. Okay. Then the closing ceremony on the afternoon on Sunday, where we will announce winners, but I will talk after about the simulation engine inside. And on Tuesday, so it's going to be for the top 10 finalists. They will be able to pitch like on X in front of everyone. So yeah, it's the process, like the agenda. Okay. So yeah. Some of you every time ask some question, and sometimes I'm just sending you the FAQ because your question is here. And to be honest, like most of your questions are already there. So don't don't pick me uh, unnecessarily because to be honest, like just go through the FAQ first, and then after you can ping me if you don't have any things. But it's everything is there, like FAQ, tac tac tac, just click here, and that's fine. So just wanted to mention that because otherwise it's going to be like a mess. Okay. For example, I missed yesterday talk as their recording available. So let's take the FAQ. Wait. Let's take the FAQ and check recording. Up. Magic. You can see that. Otherwise it's just here, right? You can see everything here otherwise. But anyway, when you ask question, check the FAQ first. Please, 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 please. Okay. So some as well got issues to log in, but it's just because you forgot to create an account. So same thing, like on the login, you have a small things say first time connection, create account. So just click on create account. Okay, so it was just for talking about a bit of logistic first. And right now, yes, I will introduce track and prices. So, just to let you know in terms of mindset, what you may like you should have in terms of mindset is not like being there for the prices. Like when literally when someone on the application puts, "Oh, I just want to win a prizes," we rejected, we rejected people because we really want like people being there for learning first and collaborating. So it's not like a competition mindset. It's really a friendly one. So very important to be surrounded by people like us. I really care about that. So that's why like don't be there for competition first, but really for connection. It's always hard to also win your first hackathon, etc. But with experience, you will improve it. So don't be there just for competition. So actually, it's what we have in terms of prices. So you can see yes, that. And we are still waiting the link of Vizelo. They have to send us the fucking link to access the Vizelo credit, but you can hack without no risk. And we added yesterday another perks which is related to RPC. Um, so you can claim it. It's like 2 months free plan, something like this. But I will go through the class after anyway. No, 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 no. Oh merde, non, it's me. Euh, non, pas dessin. Pas drawing. No, no drawing, please. Let's avoid that. So in terms of tracks, we have different one. Um, and so we put one related to robotics, just to have something more. If someone really want to experiment that, as it's the future, you can you can of course do something like this, but it's very very advanced. Otherwise, the rest is okay. I'll define maybe a bit, but otherwise the rest is totally okay, accessible to everyone, and I will talk why just after. And so you can just jump into prices there to see um requirements, um like who will win what. Basically we even put for top 30 like a pool price to get 3 months of cloud pro pro qualification requirements, so really care about all these things, and different resources. So some of you ask me, Who can I claim credits, etc. So it's here, but also on perks. So if you want credits, just go to perks. You will have you will have them. And so yeah, you can just explore tracks like this, IDs, etc., etc. Same thing for 11 Labs, claim free creator plan there, etc. And at the end of the hackathon, you will have a sidetrack if you want to submit something for another more hard hackathon. Okay, so it's about prices and track. So here you can see um, that as a student, you have really some advantage into the tech space, to be honest. So please don't negligate that. Like you can just claim things. We listed a lot of things there, to be honest. So let me just send you that. Tac 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 here. So you can claim perks. So the first one to imperatively claim is this one. So if you want to build like very fast Solana application, and otherwise with others. So 11 Labs is available for those who confirm the export, so with the active account before these hours, because we had to send all email to everyone. So I think it's around 200, no, 2,300 people who are eligible for it. And we added quick node. You can see Cursor Pro, etc., etc. Like it's a gold mine. So please go through it. And yeah. Okay. So. Yeah, basically it's what I talk about. So you may see it into the app that we have a referral leaderboard. And so this one is like the first, like the best refer, the best, yes, people who are referring, like those who are submitting projects successfully, will win a phone, like a secure phone. So which is good. So let's see if Marcello will will win it, or someone else. But I will unveil the result at the end of the hackathon. Okay, so right now, let's say you are totally new to hackathon. How to get started? Okay, I will just do a brief intro on like the steps you can follow, basically, just to have something functional for the hackathon. So just set up a wallet. So you can use Phantom, which is the most common one. Download it, and so it will appear as extension on your Chrome bar. And make sure to with this wallet, you will have an address, and so make sure to paste it there to to claim fake money, because this fake money will be useful for you to test application, etc. Like I mean to make it to deploy smart contracts, all these things. So it's like a basic things to know. And then you can find an ID. So for example here, we put some resources about project ideation, so you can take a look at project past winners. You can take a look at specific ideas that the ecosystem wants. Like for example, yesterday I checked it for that, and I think Solana Mobile. Yes, for example, Solana Mobile is looking for someone who's doing like a Stepen. So if you know Stepen, funny things to do. And so it's useful for you to just find ID for fun. If you don't have your ID, you can just grab one from someone else who are suggesting something, basically. And I will insist a lot on these things because you have to create a prompt. And so for that, you have to be super concise on this one before paste it this one into Trinoa. So I will explain what is Trinoa. Um, because otherwise you will uh like um lose all your credits very fast. So to make sure to optimize your credits, it's better to have a good prompt first that you will pass after into the AI tool. Okay. So basically, it can be what is the goal of your application, which kind of user are you looking for, like which integration you want to put in, all these kind of things. Put it into a prompt and then after pass it um, on Noah. So I will talk about Noah. So actually, Noah is a good tool, AI tool. Like I would say, in 30 minutes you can have an app like a full stack application on Solana. It's writing smart contracts, it's working front end, all integration. You can also do mobile. So, to be honest, really good tools. Let me just open it. Try now. Ah, shit. Oh, shit. Wait. Okay. It's crashed. That crashed. Wait, I'm coming back. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Genre and my presentation. Where are you? Where are you? Let me check if there is any question from now. Yes, yes, yes. The presentation will be available after, of course. No worries. um, okay. So, all right. What? Okay. Could you see my screen? It's all fine. Just please let me know into the chat. Okay, nice. All right. So here you can basically like put your prompt there, like the thing that you put on Claude or ChatGPT. Just paste it here, and you will have an application basically. This is just for smart contracts. And so on your side, with the hackathon, you will have access to that. So the starter plan. So I will talk about how to get it, but very important. So you have that 5 million credits, and so just try to optimize this one. So, tac tac tac. You can use like scan this QR code. It's also on the into the app itself. So, oh la la. Wait. Uh, see some links. Sorry. Just want to give you the link. Sorry. And please follow all the instruction because it's matter. Like to see the credits updated into your dashboard. So basically on Noah AI, you will see on your dashboard. So just let me know when you finish to to scan, and then I will show you how the credits will appear because they are checking manually on their side to give you the credits. Like you should use the same email address that you use between the hackathon and also between Noah AI, just to let you know. So here, basically, you will see you will see here the 5 million. Like I just have 1 million because I didn't ask for anything. But here, when all good, you will see 5 million. Okay, fine. Okay. So please complete that for doing the hackathon properly, and you will be you can even finish the hackathon in 2 hours. So yeah, just keep in mind that. All right. So if you have any question on how to use Noah, we hosted a session during the Vibe Coding Bootcamp. So basically, in 30 minutes, he did prediction markets. So you can rewatch the session just to make sure how to prompt all these things, and you will be super okay. Like if there is a session to keep in mind after the vibe coding bootcamp, it's this one, to be honest, and you are done. You are done with the hackathon. Okay. So another thing is that you should ask for help. What is like it's matter a lot because it's a way to grow into the ecosystem basically. Especially if you didn't get any kind of global opportunities first, etc. Um, or specific connection. Ask for help is also a way to network. So there is different kind of help you can get access to. So an AI agents, mentors, so who are IRL and also online, so you can ping them into the Telegram group if you are stuck somewhere. And then we have also the Davril, for example, like with um, Li-Fi, Solana, yes, Solana Mobile, and I think Solana too, I guess. I don't remember. But yeah, there is different kind of devil partner that can help you. Like, and if you are looking for them, you can check on on prices. Here we put like builder support. So click on here, and for example here, it's a special guy you can ping on Telegram if you are stuck somewhere. This is the Li-Fi Devril. Virtual, I need to add one still. Or here for Solana Mobile, for example, just to let you know. Okay, so I'm going into different kind of logistics there, and want to showcase you the mentor. So if you are stuck somewhere, you can ask for help on Telegram, or if it's like a very specific things and you want to talk in I don't know, Spanish, Chinese, as you want, you can go through the motor dashboard, and we have some really thanks to them. To be honest, you can pick up people and then talk with them on Telegram. Okay. Tuk tuk tuk, and then there is me. Um, you can see me there. Talk to Solen. So if you are stuck somewhere, uh, but I asked to put it free for differentiation, but let's see. You can talk with me, challenge your ID, all these things. So basically, we just start a session and confirm and so tag. And here,
Hey, hey, glad you made it. I want to hear about your project. 5 minutes, let's go.
I don't have any idea. Could you provide me some?
Love that you're ready to start. Yes, how about starting with a simple Solana use case, like a Wallet Connect plus token tipping app? Quick to build, real users, and you can expand later. Want more ideas or a different vibe?
So basically, you can challenge your ID there if you want to get direct feedback. If you are talking French, you can use the French mode, yes, of course. But I think it will be reply better in English, to be honest. So yeah, you have different option that to just ask for help. So right now I will talk about submission and judging. So submission and judging rules and criteria. So there is just couple, and otherwise we have other criteria, etc. So you can see it on the FAQ or project are judged, etc. But some we are asking if you can use a past project. I said yes. Just make sure this one will be built on Solana. It should be open source, very, very important, because sometimes we cannot judge a project because it's like the GitHub repository is private, and so directly you are disqualified. So make sure it's open source. Make sure you have a URL demo, because otherwise same thing, you will be put aside. You can of course communicate tracks. Sorry. So basically, if you are building on Solana and then made an integration with Li-Fi and 11 Labs, of course you are eligible for both. No worries, all good. Some were asking if I can hack solo. Yes, you can hack solo, of course. And the maximum per team is 4, so don't be 5. And some only one person can submit one project. So like you, as a person, you can submit 2, 3 projects. Just to let you know. And something great is that if, for example, you are speaking Chinese but not English, you can submit in Chinese, and we will be able to judge too. So, which is cool, because usually all hackathons are in English. I'm so sorry. I wasn't speaking English before, but right now, like for the hackathon, just for talking right now, I'm obliged. But I really appreciate language, like to make sure everyone can progress with their first like with their first language. So don't worry about that. You are super welcome if you are speaking in Spanish or whatever. So yeah. And last detail is about the submission. So we will not put extra deadline. Like when it's 8 a.m. UTC pass, is like you will be like your project will be not submitted. So make sure to respect the deadline itself. And also, if you are not enough confident with your projects that you are submitting, nor is like as I mentioned yesterday, it's very common that we are not finishing the project itself, and so don't, like, you never know what can happen, and so please submit even if it's not finished. Really, I'm talking by experience, literally. So for the judging side, we have to judge. So AI agents and also local judge. So AI agent will filter, like basically under all your submission, it will filter um, everyone, like every project, and score them. And so we will keep the top 100 on our side for the global judging, and make a double verification to select winners, etc. So actually, the AI agents will be very helpful for judging, and local judge will be there also to help um, readjusting the score, basically because they will have more local context, so they will know like if the project can be really relevant or not. So basically, it's just an example, which which is with uh, people who submit, by the way. So you can just check, like you can see product technical, so that's going to to give us an overview of if at which point is okay or not. And so after that, if you are passing a certain score, local judging, local judge will help, like will reevaluate. So yeah, I'm done with wait. Oh, wait. Oh, no, I'm not done. It's, I don't know why it was skipping. Yes, no. Yes, so we will have the global leaderboard. So you will see the top 100 global, the top 50 regional, and the top 20 per country, basically, at the end of the hackathon. No, it's not right now, because we need to judge. So after the hackathon, um, we will put into the dashboard more perks, and also the top 3 per country will enter into our accelerator, which is for underrepresented talents like you. And so actually, everyone can apply, but just as the top super country is directly fast tracked, so they don't need to apply itself. So we call that the DevChack bridge, because when I need to explain what is the accelerator, is like to open opportunities for those who really need it, but also like kind of like a bridge between hackathon and real incubation, real incubator, or the thing. So um, I will explain more in detail the DevChack bridge during the closing ceremony to let you know. No worries. So, I wanted to thank all the hubs lead. So basically, you can see them. This couple missing because I didn't get the PHP. Like I was struggling to find it, but thank you to make it happen. To be honest, mean a lot for me. And like I mean for DevTrack, because like having a local energy, local builders, it's what matters. During my time into the space, I always see only people from US, also from Europe, etc., but never like a global representation. And with DevTrack, we really care about having global representation. And so just thanks to all of them for making it happen. And if you are looking for to join a hub in your city, you can scroll into in, into the app section there, and you can register if you want like to join. But make sure to do it right now because it's full for several of them. So yeah, just wanted to highlight that. The Yes, a few hubs already started. So for example, in Malaysia, in China, Shanghai, in Zambia. So same in Zambia too. China, uh, Ecuador, Uyo, Zambia too, and for example, Turkey there. So um, actually, couple of you like got extra help from super team on site. So basically, here in Turkey, they got some T-shirt from Solana, thanks to the super team local, super team Turkey. Um, sorry. So yeah, I mean, you will see 47 hubs active during this weekend, worldwide. So which is pretty cool. And I love to see all this energy. So thanks again for all hosts and also mentor who will help to make it a success, really. So it's our team. Wanted as well to thank Armoras and Zitar, so Catherine, because they made a really good job with the platform, like the application. To be honest, basically with experience, like all the experience we had, we basically think the platform with the best of each hackathon platform we know. So I really think actually the platform is good, but it's still V1 and we will work for V2 for next edition, of course. But yeah, thanks a lot to them for making that happen. Really, like a really good team overall. No, 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 pas dessin. Non, pas dessin. Okay. So right now it's time to build and have fun all together. Basically, I would love to first of all do maybe like a pic, a family pic. We call that family pic all together. Will be wonderful. Like if you can activate your camera, would love to. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. It's always better to see everyone. So you can see there is difference at the hub. Nice. Great, great, great. So, yes, there's two. Okay. How can I put? Wow, I don't know if I can put. Okay, I have to do several screen then. P- if you're asking for credits, please go to perks. Go to perks, do the step, and all will be fine. Okay, so let's start. We'll do the pick. Okay, I see my friend Jules. Nice. Great, great, great. Oh, wait. There's someone asking how to submit projects. Okay, I will show you briefly after. So I will tell you when we are good for the pick. You can put some reaction, basically. Ah, c'est bien, Jules, c'est bien. Nice. So, 1, 2, 3. Ah, reaction here. Sorry. Like this. So, 1, 2, 3. Nice. So, next one. Next. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3. Great. Super. All right. So, I well, someone asked for just the submission. So here there is something called projects, and it's where you can basically submit your project. So you put your name, one line, what is about basically. You can put a description here. Put a category, what is that, etc., etc. Explain integration, text stack, like screenshot, banner, GitHub repository, demo URL. We put optional, but believe me, it's mandatory because never we will run locally your app. Basically, so make sure you are deploying on Vercel or whatever first. Demo URL, so your YouTube video. If you have any kind of X account, if you are submitting at a team or individual, if you are joining as a team, you can create this one there, and it's what we are going to do today, like right now, basically. And then you review submit very fast, like it's okay. So right now, yeah, I will stop sharing my screen because we will pass to the team formation session. So basically, if you have an idea, all these things, what would be great for you to do is, let me show you the process. Sorry, can we edit after submits FAQ? Yes, you can. You can. So basically here, you, that depends of if you want to create a project and then people join your team. So basically, if you are looking for someone profile to join your team, you can create your team there. Ask you if you are looking for like which kind of profile, if you are open to new members, because like if you are open to new members, it's going to like appeal there. So you will see all projects that you can request to join. So you will be affiliate only to one. So make sure to take a look at that. And also you can filter, normally, yes, you can filter here. For example, if you are looking for like French projects, like Team 42, tac, tac, tac. Okay, so there is like, just you can check according to your country. If there is no country, like not your country is not represented, it's because there is no teams again about your country. So please create a team there, or join your teammate if this one already created a team, so you can join through a code. Okay, and another option is that you don't know what to like, who to reach out, etc. You can click on looking for a team. And for example, here, yes, Argentina, who is looking for a team, you can basically just reach out to them to know what they are building, etc., etc. So just wanted to showcase a bit the process around that. And right now, process to a workshop where you will have to connect, um, connect, and then create your team or join one, basically. Of course, if you have an idea, or otherwise, if you don't have an idea, actually, I will ask if there is someone who want to pitch the idea to find teammates. So please don't be don't be afraid about public speaking. That's all fine. We all started together like this, so yeah, just feel free to take the stage. Is there anyone who want to talk? Like just saying who want to pitch their idea to find a teammate. Yes, it can be related to whatever you want. No worries, your projects. Um, is someone want to take the mic? Okay, there is someone. Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
You want to talk?
Absolutely no.
Okay, no. Okay, I'm mute.
Thank you.
Okay. Um,
Yes, Olin, I have some doubts.
yes, which one?
Uh, so I like you saw that Noah AI thing. Like you will, I'll have that 5
Please
million.
ping me offline. Like, I mean, outside the
Okay,
call,
okay, fine.
about that. So this is my
Sure,
Telegram.
sure,
Because I
sure.
think it's just a question of you sign up with the wrong email. That's all.
No, no, no. It's like when I'm prompting, it's just saying that like you haven't like the plan is expired or you don't have any prompts.
Um,
Like it is saying user doesn't have any prompts or the plan is expired.
Otherwise, could you send me a message, like with a screenshot, please, and I will
Sure.
take a look. Okay. So please, so let's proceed like this. If you can just create a team here, put a short description, and then we will start to maybe make some match. Actually, we didn't get the time to put it into this version, but for the next one, we will have like hackathon match system, which is better because otherwise you have to scroll everything. But yeah, like please join a team, request to join, or create one. All good? Any question? Or and if you have any idea, please talk. Otherwise, no reason. The call is finished. We are on the team formation session right now. So if you don't need to say, you don't need to say. No reason. Okay.
GM.
GM? Yes.
So this is my first time. I just wondering if I can still put up a project myself.
Yes, of course. Why not?
Thank you.
De rien. You're welcome. Okay. So please, here, create a team and max four per team. By the way, as I mentioned. But yeah, overall, otherwise you can pitch your idea here. And if you don't have idea, as I mentioned, you can go here and click on these different links where you can see some ideas. So for example, this one is more about agentic ID. So yeah, Shopify for agents. What is that? Do more. Okay. So you can reproduce that. Basically this. We also put some ID on here. ID to get started. For example, Leafy is looking for projects on that, on this area, which is totally fine. And you can install the agent skills, and you are good. You don't need to do a lot of things. Just ask the AI to do it. Solana Mobile, they didn't provide things. Here is more technical. 11 Labs, you can integrate that pretty well. So for example, here, that is integrated with 11 Labs in X402. So basically, I had to clone my voice to make sure we can have this result. So it's a good thing, and that's under X402, because when you ask for a session, it's requiring payments, but only for this specific session. Like you pay for just to unlock it. So it's 5 minutes session, and you can choose French, so which is funny. And yeah. Perks. Here there is the process every time when you want to claim something too. Okay. You created your team, your tech law team. Okay, nice. Let's find it. Oh, sorry. Here, let's find it. I will just. I will join team, but leave it no worries. It's just for showcasing the process. So here I just join a team, but of course leave team because I will not stay here. So it's a way to process to join a team or create one. Any question about that? Where can we find credits? It's here. I can do I can do more, you know. Sign up to Noah and then fill in this form. Very, very important to fill in this form. And all good. Tac, 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 envoyer, like send, and it's going to be credited on your dashboard. So here, for example, here I have free plan, but basically you will have 5 million there, and here is like startup plan normally. So yeah. Okay.